Building your own fire pit doesn't have to break the bank or require extensive construction skills. With just a few concrete blocks and a little bit of time and a modest investment of $57, you can craft a charming and functional focal point for your backyard. This DIY project can be completed in approximately 45 minutes, making it an ideal weekend project for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor space. The simplicity of using concrete blocks allows for easy assembly, even for a novice DIYer like me. Before any construction can begin, the site must be properly prepared. The first order of business is to clear the area of any existing vegetation, including grass, weeds, and shrubs. This will ensure a clean and stable foundation for the project. Hard to believe, but I pulled a full load of dirt out of here. I eagerly waited for the sun to rise so I can capture a nice sunny video. But then, not thinking, I parked the wheelbarrow in a way where it casts a shadow over my workspace. Sorry. The decision to forego any stone in the bottom of the fire pit stems from the desire for simpler cleanouts. Since the sandy soil beneath the fire pit is already sandy, it naturally drains well and won't retain excessive ash or debris. By maintaining a sandy base, cleanups will be much easier, allowing for a quicker and more efficient maintenance of a fire pit. To further enhance the design and provide added protection for the grass, an extra layer of block was incorporated to raise the rear section of the structure. This effectively created a shield barrier, preventing the grass from being impacted by the elements or potential damage. The addition of 6 more bricks to achieve the modification resulted in a slight increase in cost, adding $15 to the overall project budget. With this enhancement, the final total cost of the project reached $72. This small investment yielded a significant improvement in the functionality of the overall appeal of the design, making it a worthwhile addition to the project. I truly hope this easy DIY project has inspired you and provided some helpful tips for your own creative endeavors. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, I hope this project was a fun and rewarding experience. If you enjoyed following along and found it useful, please show your support by giving the video a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue creating fun and informative content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time with another exciting project.